I am familiar with 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why. Statistically, 6 out of 7 dwarves aren't happy. Apparently, 3.5 out of 7 people overcomplicate things. And 5 out of 4 people admit they are bad at fractions. I was going to open an abacus factory, but it would have been counterproductive. I got given a calculator that's shaped like a castle. It's the thought that counts. I don't know what apathy is, and I don't care. I've been accused of plagiarism. Their words, not mine. My son came up to me today and said, "Can I have a bookmark?" I burst out laughing. He's 24 years old and still doesn't know my name is Martin. I was in the town centre today and I was hungry and forgot my wallet. Luckily, I found some money on the floor just outside McDonald's, where there was an angry looking man playing the guitar and singing Beatles songs. I went to the doctor about my hearing. He said, "Describe your symptoms." I can't stop eating donuts, my skin is yellow and I shout, "Dope!" On top of that, my wife has big blue hair and one of my kids shouts, "Eat my shorts." I asked my dog, "What's 2 minus 2? He said nothing. I was wondering why the frisbee kept getting bigger and bigger, and then it hit me. I was looking in the shop window this morning when this old fella walked into a lamppost. Then I woke up on the ground with a gash on my head.
Lovely. Hope you've enjoyed. See you again.